It's me, Bluey Healer, and today we're gonna play this game. Press to continue.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Robloxia State Police Department. An orange healer puppy was spotted roaming around the streets of Minnehaha, or Sioux Falls. If you see this orange puppy, do not approach it, as it can be extremely dangerous and extremely harmful to you. We don't know the description yet, but if we get word, then we'll let you know, okay?
Problem. I shouldn't run it at maximum power with no heatsink. Running.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Robloxia State Police Department. We just got an update that the previous orange puppy that we just saw in the previous alert is now identified as Bingo. Bingo has orange skin, a white belly, and even harmful objects. If Bingo sees you, run away as fast as you can and call the Robloxia State Police or 911 now. Do not approach this orange puppy, as it can kill. We now return you to your regular ceaseless programming.
Different manifestations of the one thing that is the thermoelectric effect, which happens when two conductors with different materials touch each other. The Seebeck effect is when there is a temperature difference between the junction of two materials and rest of it, a voltage is created across the junction and acts like a generator. The voltage is typically very small, in order of microvolts, and increases with more temperature difference. Measuring that time
Weather Service in Nevada has issued a tsunami warning for Nevada, South Carolina, North Carolina, Nevada, and Maryland. This is caused by Bingo. Bingo has spawned many enemies across the USA. If you come across these enemies, use arm protection at all times. And you can also use foot protection too, but that's an iCarly thing. Anyways, we now return you to your programming. Oh my god, Bingo's there. Is he gonna kill me? No! No! Ah! Stop it! Ah! This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. We have successfully killed Bingo. Only 24 people lived and one only died. Sad. But 700 more injured due to the tsunami and 7 drowned. We now conclude this administrative message. You can now exit your shelters.